Hi everyone, it's us being fair, and as I told you on our channel, we are more of everyday life, real life. So today we went shopping, and I personally decided to show you different prices of stuff. So now today I'm going to show you a number of stuff here and tell you their prices. So this is a 10-liter jerry can of cooking oil. You can get it at Ugandan shillings 74,000. And we are seeing here, these are beans, nambale, omumpi. Hey, you all know that nambale. So we are having different kinds of beans. We are having masavu. We are having masavu. You see, masavu. Masavu is at a kilogram is at 40,000 shillings, 4,000 shillings, sorry. And here we are seeing nambale omumpi, which is at 3,500. We are seeing here choroko, it's a kilogram and it's at 3,500. We are seeing this is coffee. It's called soya cup. So you can get each at 200 Ugandan shillings. We are seeing here mangoes. There are two of them, but each is at 1,000 shillings only. Guys, you enjoy these fruits just so we are seeing these are 5 kilograms of sugar, and each kilogram is at 4,000 shillings only. So we are seeing here Reiko mchuzi mix. This is beef. Stop using nunu when you are seeing Reiko mchuzi mix. So now here for us we use Reiko, which is at 200 shillings only. 200. You eat your meat, your beef. So we are having here spaghetti Santa Lucia, and each is at these are for 450 grams. It is at 3,600 shillings only. Here sponges, first here use them, they are at 1,000 shillings only. We are seeing TS, tomato sauce. For us we call it TS because it's an abbreviation of tomato sauce, TS. So here we have it, it's at 1,000 shillings only. Let me see. We are having baking powder. For us here we bake, we do a lot of bakery. We bake cakes, bread, and other more. So this is at 1,000 shillings only. So there is something interesting here. So now we are having, this is our custard, and this is a 500 grams tin, and you can get this at 25,000 shillings, Ugandan shillings, 25 Ugandan shillings only. So this is a box containing Matchbox. So you can get this at 1,000 shillings only. We are having here, for us here we use Movit Herbal. You can also see the skin, you can see it's poof puff poof, you can see. And this is at, you can get it at 6,000 shillings only. We are having here onions, and here you can see all these. I got them at 2,000 shillings only. I'm having also carrots and some green pepper here. I have some carrots here, so no more going out, to keep them here in the fridge. So I got these at 3,000 shillings only, and got the ginger. You can see the ginger here. I got it at 2,000 shillings only. So we go on to this. I'm having White Star. It's a bar of soap, and I got it at 5,500 shillings only. I got to it. So I have this 10 kilogram maize flour, and we can get this at 11,000 shillings only. I have this toilet paper roll. It's compact. Here we use compact, and I got this at 10,000 shillings only. Then there is this, the very famous one, the Prestige margarine. You can see original. It's a 1 kilogram tin, and I got it at 12. So guys, we are seeing this for us here at home. We use Supreme as our flour here, and you can get 8 single packet at 7,000 shillings only, or 6,500 shillings only. So thank you for shopping with us. We love you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share. It's us being fair. So thank you. Bye.